This video walks you through how to track project pipelines in HoneyBook. Begin by logging into your HoneyBook account. Enter your account credentials and wait for the dashboard to load fully before moving on. Once you are inside the workspace, look to the left-hand menu and click Projects. This opens the main area where your active work is collected, and it is the place you will use to follow project movement across your workflow. After Projects opens, switch to the Pipeline view. In this view, HoneyBook arranges your projects by stage so you can see how work is grouped at a glance. Instead of looking at projects as one long list, you are viewing them in the order they move through your process. This makes it easier to check status across multiple projects without opening each one right away. Take a moment to review the stages shown in the pipeline. Each stage represents a point in your workflow, and the projects under that stage reflect where they currently stand. Move across the pipeline from one stage to the next and look at which projects are waiting, which are active, and which are further along. This gives you a clear picture of your current workload and helps you monitor progress without leaving the main project view. When a project advances, update its position by dragging and dropping it into the next stage. Click and hold the project card, move it to the appropriate column, and release it there. This keeps your pipeline current and makes sure the project reflects its latest status. Be sure to drop the project into the correct stage before continuing, especially if you are updating several projects in a row. If you need more information about a specific project, click on the project to open it. Inside the project, you can review its details along with related tasks, messages, payments, and next steps. This is useful when you want to confirm what has already happened and what still needs attention. After reviewing the information, return to the pipeline when you are ready to continue tracking the rest of your projects. To narrow down what you are seeing, use the available filters or sorting options. These tools help you quickly find specific projects and focus on the ones you need to check. Depending on what you are looking for, you can sort or filter the view to surface the projects that matter most at that moment. This is especially helpful when your pipeline contains many active items across several stages. By moving between the pipeline view, individual project details, and the filter or sort controls, you can keep track of progress and maintain an accurate view of your workflow inside HoneyBook. Your HoneyBook projects are now organized and trackable in pipeline view by stage, status, and project details.